and welcome to the new episode of Nature Intact. In this video, we are going to understand about self-watering pot. Self-watering pot getting mainstream from past few years, and it has obvious reason. It's due convenience to watering your plant. In this video, we are going to understand is it really worth it to buy a self-watering pot or not. So let's get into it. Self-watering pot consists of plant growing planter, reservoir, and water delivery mechanism. The reservoir installed at the bottom of the pot and water delivery mechanism present at the upside of the reservoir. Generally, two type of water delivery mechanism used in self-watering pot. First mechanism by using tube from upside and using beak from the downside of the pot, as you can see in this animation. Watering mechanism work on the principle of capillary, where water flow from the narrow spaces in the soil due to the capillary action. So let's start with the advantages. Self-watering pot save your time and let you spend more time on other outdoor gardening activities. Self-watering pot give maximum and uniform water efficiency as compared to other irrigation system available in the market. Plant water efficiency is simply defined as it's a ratio of water used in plant metabolism to the water lost through the evaporation process. Generally, self-watering pot consists of a reservoir at the bottom of the pot and it's delivered exact amount of water according to the plant need. That's why self-watering pot obtain maximum water efficiency as compared to the other irrigation system. Some gardeners nurture their plant like own child, but it gets complicated at a longer duration of vacation, where you have to keep your plant unattended for a longer period of time. At that time, self-watering pot become handy. You just need to fill your reservoir before leaving the vacation. With the advantages, there is a disadvantage of self-watering pot, which as we are going to understand one by one. Regular plant are cheaper than self-watering pot and available in various designs and sizes. On other hand, self-watering pot come with a limited options and higher in prices. Not every plant thrive on self-watering pot. Self-watering pot helpful in some indoor plant and some vegetable plants in the home. Self-watering pot could not provide adequate water for some water-thirsty plant like palm and fiber optics plant. Every plant has a different water requirement throughout the season, and self-watering pot cannot detect change in season. That's why we need to check the water level at a constant interval, especially in summer and rainy season, where humidity drastically change over the time. On that note, I want to introduce Nature Intact, a startup provide customizable irrigation system for your garden. Nature Intact prominent in landscape design, vertical green wall, and irrigation system design. I link down Nature Intact social media handles. Please check it out. So this is all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, we see you later.